Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete blank page from Word. So first of all, simply open the Word document in which you want to delete the blank page. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now you can see over here in my Word document, there are 3 pages. The first page is not blank, likewise my third page is not blank, but the second page is blank. So in my case, I want to delete the second page of my Word document. So if you also want to do that, for that what you have to do is simply click on the blank page that you want to delete. Now once you click on it, press delete on your keyboard. Now you can see over here that particular page will be deleted easily. Right now I only have 2 pages and both of them are not blank. So like this you'll be able to delete the blank page. So that is how you delete blank page in Word. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.